Hi everyone, Password here, and while I was coming from a wedding I hosted at Olumirin, this is DJ Big Show.
Exclusive.
We hosted a wedding together yesterday at Olumirin, and while we're coming straight to Uganda, we decided to branch here at Ijesa Waterfall. Ladies and gentlemen, the planner of the event is here with me.
Okay.
Mr. TMF.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he planned the wedding I hosted yesterday at Olumirin, so we're about to visit Ijesa Waterfall. I'd like you guys to join me and experience our local experience here at Ijesa Waterfall. Thank you. Hi everyone. So the man we met here just told me now that if this waterfall has 7 floors, it has 7 different stages. If you want to go to and fro the 7 floors, we will be spending about 3 hours. Yeah, not less than 3 hours to go to and fro the 7th floor. But me, I don't think I'll be going those 7 floors, but I'll try my best to go to the 1st and 2nd floor and show you guys what they look like. Join me. Thank you. We have our first water here. Looks like a borehole that is not working anymore. Let's move. We are here now, but we don't know whether we are on the 1st floor, 2nd floor, or what floor we are, but we are still moving. So you guys should click on the subscribe button if you're to do so. Like this video and drop a comment for what's wrong with this video. I'll see you. Hi everyone. This is looking like a long, tiring and exhausting walk to the top. We just left the 2nd level now and we move. Hi guys, it seems where we're going is just down there. So I have to find a way to navigate my ways to that side. So join me. Thank you. Hi everyone. So now we are now at where I'll be calling my own final bus stop before we return back to the gate. Ladies and gentlemen, join me while we explore the famous Ijesa Waterfall.
60. 60. I'm a lighter. Olu, Best strategy. Event expo. CNN. Offer. Hi everyone, so just one here at the Waterfall. Ladies and gentlemen, really pleasure for the life of the and I'll see you in the next episode. I love you guys. My name is Paul. Thank you.